Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I am so excited to finally receive this box right here from Jeffree Star, because I actually am making a mystery box for one of you guys. That's right. This is all about a giveaway. This is nothing in here for me. Do you want to know what this is about and how you can win this box for yourself? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So if you guys know, Jeffree Star had another launch of his mystery boxes, and it was supposed to be on Black Friday, but then he ended up doing it on actually Thanksgiving. I kind of feel that he probably should have left it on Black Friday instead of Thanksgiving Day, when everyone is supposed to be visiting with their family, making, cooking, doing whatever you're supposed to be doing on Thanksgiving with you and your family. That's what that day is about. It's for your family, not for trying to sit there on a computer and being frustrated trying to order something, but that's what happened. So I was cooking all day, and 10 till the time that it launched, which was 3 o'clock my time here in Florida, I was like, okay, I need to be sitting down at my computer. I don't care what's going on. I need to try to get some of these boxes because I really wanted to get them to do another giveaway for you guys. So I sat down, my computer was not responding. It wouldn't turn on. I had to do a hard reset. So I'm trying to do it on my phone. I'm trying to do it on my man's, his Galaxy tablet, which I'm an iPhone girl. I don't like Samsung. That's just my own personal preference. So I'm trying to do it on his tablet, and it would not allow me to select. It was only showing small. I could not do a drop down to change to any other size. So long story short, or I should say short story long, I finally got it to do a little spinning wheel, whatever. Then it came back and it said an item in your cart is no longer available. So I changed the shirt size, went back, spinning, and then it said, place your order. I put in my credit card information. I put in my shipping. I did everything as quick as I could. It said a white screen. Thank you for your order. And I'm looking at it and I'm like, well, this doesn't look right. Normally his screen has, confirmation number, order number, has a map. It has, where it's going. This doesn't look like the normal congratulations, you placed your order page. But I'm like, all right, I have to finish getting ready. Any moment now, family's gonna be walking in. I still haven't even gotten ready myself. I still need to prepare one other type of thing for the meal because I had it at my house. So anyway, again, short story long, I was like, okay, so I guess I got them. I got all three. I was ecstatic. So I hurry up, I'm running, I'm getting ready, come back out, finish the last thing, everything's done. I'm like, okay, you guys, come plate up. I step back for a second, I grab my phone, I'm looking through my emails, and I have an email that says your payment did not go through. Please cash out your card again. And I'm like, what do you mean my payment did not? What do you mean my payment did not go through? This has been hours now. It's been hours. There's nothing available. There's nothing left. Every single one is completely sold out. I'm like, wait, what do you mean? So I went from thinking I got all three to now I got none. I was so upset. I was more upset because I was so excited that I was going to be able to do this giveaway for you guys, because I love giving back to you, and everybody loves Jeffree Star's mystery boxes. And I went to not getting anything. So a few days later, I'm sitting there, I'm like, you know what? I already was planning on spending the money on his boxes. So I'm just gonna order from his site. I'm going to pick my own items. I'm going to make my own mystery box, and I'm giving back to somebody, damn it. I'm still doing my giveaway. So that is what I did. A few days after the Black Friday thing, Cyber Monday, everything was over, I went ahead and I went to his site and I placed an order on his website for, I think it was valued at $205.99 before tax. But at that price, I got free shipping. So it was $205.99 before tax. Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 products, I believe. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm counting 9 products total. So what I did is I went onto the site and I just ordered different things that I think would be a good fit for a mystery box. Now, if you guys want this to stay a mystery box, so whoever wins, if you want this to be a mystery, then down below I will timestamp when the giveaway rules start. So you can skip ahead so you can miss what's inside. If you do want to know what's inside, then I will open this. I will show you what the product looks like, and then I'll drop in a picture from his website, because I'm not going to open up each individual item, because I want to keep them nice and sealed. This is going to go to one of you guys. So it took a month for it to finally get here. He was behind in shipping because of the holidays and the mystery bags and all of that good stuff. So I finally got this today, a month later. I'm really sorry that it took so long, because I wanted to do this for you guys sooner, but that's beyond my control. But at least I have it now, and I definitely want to do this for you guys. So I spent $200 and something of my own hard-earned money so I can give back to one of you guys. That's just what I did. So nothing in here is for me. This is all for one lucky winner, and I'm going to put it all back in this box. I took my mailing label off. Whoever does win, I will put your mailing label on here, and this will be shipped just like this to one lucky winner. So now, again, if you don't want to know what's in here and you want this to remain a mystery, if you want to have your own mystery box, if you are the winner, then please skip forward to the giveaway roll so you know how to enter. But right now I'm going to open up this box, and I'm going to show you the 9 items that I personally picked to curate my own Jeffree Star mystery box for one lucky winner. So let's go ahead and get in here. I've already cut the tape and took my mailing label off, so that's already prepared and done. So when you open her up, there is the tissue paper, and there's some more tissue paper, and some more tissue paper, and some more tissue paper. So the first item that I purchased was this black straw set. This is the metal straw set, and I picked black because I don't know if the person that's going to receive this is a pinky person or a blue person, because they had blue, green, pink, and black, I believe. So I went ahead and got black because that can go with anything. And if you're using them for a mug or a cup, it'll go with any cup or mug that you're using with black. So this black 4-piece metal straw set is valued at $19.99. And then he just launched these travel bags. So I got a black travel bag to go with it, and this is $12. So here is the straw set with a straw bag. You can put them in, drop them in your purse, your bag, your diaper bag, whichever, and then you have your straws on the go. So there's the first 2 items. Then I went and I got one of his glosses, because I got one in one of the mystery boxes and I really like it. It is a lavender color, the one that I got. So I wanted to get a neutral color for one of you guys. So I got the color Ice Cold. You can't really see that from there. Ice Cold. And this, from what I remember, this should just be like a clear, like more of like an opalescent gloss, but not an actual color. So this should go with anybody and anything if you want to put as a lip topper or anything like that. And this guy is $18. Okay. So then I did get 3 different lip products. 2 of them are from his brand new launch collection. And that is Androgyny, I'm not sure how you say that, and Doll Parts. So these are from his brand new collection, these 2 colors right here. And then one that I know that I really do like, which is Family Jewels. I do have this. I got this in one of the mystery boxes. So here are all 3 of the different lip colors. Again, there's Doll Parts, Androgyny, I don't know, something, and Family Jewels. And these are all $18 each. So there's 3 lip products, 1 lip gloss. Then I wanted to get a highlighter, and the one that I received that I really, really love is this Hypothermia. So I went ahead and grabbed the Supreme Frost in Hypothermia for one of you guys, and this is valued at $32. So this is $32. Then I went ahead and got a palette, and I was torn between like the Blue Blood or the Blood Sugar, and I'm like, but that's all like predominant reds, predominant blues. So I wanted to get something that whoever this goes to would enjoy the colors inside. So I didn't want a strictly only blue palette or an only red palette. I wanted something that was in the middle, like something that would be good for anybody. So I went ahead and purchased Beauty Killer. That is all wrapped up in here. So again, I'm not gonna open anything, but I will post a picture on the side here. And this guy is valued at $45. So I paid $45 for this palette for one of you guys. So I do feel like this is a good color combination because it has a little bit of every color in it. So I think this would be the best choice for somebody as far as all of his palettes goes. So I chose this one for you guys. The last item is right here. And I know in one of his mystery boxes that I got, he did put in the hand mirror. And I really, really love my mirror. I just don't love the color because I got an orange one. So I bought a black one. I feel like black, again, will go with anything. I really wanted to get like the white, like frosty colored one, but it was out of stock at the time. So I felt like the next best thing would be an all black one because then it will go with any color that you have in your vanity or your area where you get ready or you do your makeup or which have you. I wish I would have gotten a black or a white, but I have a orange. So this is the black mirror and this is $25. So again, everything all adds up to $205.99 before tax is what I paid. So we got the black mirror, black handheld mirror. I'm gonna put everything now back in the box the way that it came. We have the Beauty Killer palette, the eyeshadow palette. We have the 3 liquid lips. We have the lip gloss. We have the Extreme Frost highlighter. And we have the pouch, the travel pouch with the 4-piece black straw set. So that is everything that I purchased to make my own mystery box. I really hope you guys like the items. I wanted to stick with something that should be good color tones for anybody. But if you do get something that's just not your forte, you could always pass it down to somebody else that you know, a friend, family member, or something like that. But I just definitely wanted to stick with something that wasn't like bright and funky colors, something that would pretty much go with anybody's skin tone, what you would really want. And that's what I chose. So I will go ahead and let you know how you get to enter into this giveaway. Again, all of this was bought just for one of you guys because I really was so excited that I was going to be able to have a giveaway, and then to find out that I wasn't getting anything was just so disappointing, especially on Thanksgiving Day when I'm supposed to be sitting down and now eating with family. I was just so royally pissed off. I'm not gonna lie, I was just so pissed off because I'm like, I went from thinking I had all 3 to now none. So just my luck, but I was able to rectify it and make this right. At least I'm still doing the giveaway for one of you guys. So again, I definitely wanted to choose something, and his large mystery box was, I think, $110, but then it was valued at $205. So I definitely wanted to stick with the $205 because that would have been the value of the large box if you were to have bought it, even though I paid full price for everything. But that's just how it goes. So if you do want to get this, it's either going to be a mystery box if you skip past it, or you're already gonna know what's in your box. But either way, these are amazing products from Jeffree Star, and he has amazing products. There's a few things in here that I really wish that I would have, but I can always get them at another time, or maybe I can get them in another mystery box at some point, or another order at some point. Beautylish just did a mystery box of Jeffree Star, and I purchased one of those. So I will have that coming at some point. So you never know. I might have another giveaway coming up with Jeffree Star products based on what is actually in that box. That we'll have to find out when that comes. So there's that. So if you would like to enter into this giveaway, here are the simple rules. Just like I do all of my giveaways, I like to have them as simple as I can. So number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. That is the number 1 rule in all of my giveaways. And please don't subscribe to unsubscribe to subscribe to unsubscribe, because we do see that. So just stick with me and just stay subscribed and enjoy my content. If I have a video that you don't like, then just don't watch it. If there is something that you do like, then go ahead and enjoy it. That's just the part of it, because I do so many different boxes and reviews. So I try to keep things different. I'm not a one-trick pony. So if you want to stick with me, then definitely subscribe and enjoy it. And we'll have some fun while we're going through this. So number 1 is you must be subscribed to my channel. Number 1. Number 2 is you must give this video a big thumbs up and leave 1 comment down below. In that comment down below, let me know what you are most excited about in this. No, I don't want to say that, because then for the people that don't want to know what's inside, then you'll ruin it if they see comments of different items. So then I want you to tell me, here we go. Since now we're going to be venturing on to 2020, I would like you to tell me what you're most excited about in the new year coming up. So are you planning a new job? Are you planning a new vacation? Are you planning just to stick to a diet? Are you planning on just enjoying your life? Just let me know, what are you most excited about in the upcoming year, being 2020? What are you most excited about for this new year coming up? So down in the comment section, tell me what you're most excited for about 2020, and then put in the word enter me, and then I will use a random comment picker. I will tell it to cipher through the words enter me. Only 1 comment with the words enter me. You can leave multiple comments if you would like, but only 1 comment with the word enter me and telling me what you're most excited about in 2020. And you must be over the age of 18 or have a legal parent or guardian enter in for you. And you must have a United States address for me to ship them to. I don't care where you live, as long as I'm shipping this box to a United States address to cut down on shipping. Right now, I'm only doing US addresses. Soon, I would love to open it up internationally once I can afford it. So if you are international, stay tuned, because soon I will be doing international, just not just yet. Not just yet, but I would love to very, very soon. So have a United States address for me to ship these to, and that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and run this for 3 weeks. In the description box down below, it will have the official rules and the exact end date. So pay attention to down below in the description box. See if it says open or if it says closed, so you know if this is still open or not. And again, 3 weeks, I will run it. At the end of the 3 weeks, I will use a random comment picker. I will have it cipher through the ones that say enter me. And if you are telling me what you're most excited about in the upcoming 2020 year, then I will comment back to you and tell you, congratulations, you are the winner in this giveaway. You have 48 hours to comment back to me. If you do not respond within the 48 hours, then I will be forced to have the random comment picker choose another comment. And the new winner will have the same rules, so on and so forth, until I do get a confirmed win. And again, down in the description box, it'll say congratulations to so-and-so, has 48 hours to confirm or confirmed once they have confirmed. And then you know that it is completely closed and no others will be drawn. But then look out for other giveaways. I love giving back to you guys. As soon as I hit 10K, I have 4 winners in 4 different themed giveaways, and I'm so excited to actually do that giveaway. I am really excited to post that giveaway. So again, stay tuned. There's so many other giveaways that are going to be coming up on my channel. So like I said, just stick with me, have some fun along the way, and yes. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. Again, I'm so glad that I'm able to give back to somebody. This is a new year, new beginnings. So thank you all so much for sticking with me, being subscribed, staying with me if you're newly here or if you've been with me for some time. Thank you all so much. I greatly do appreciate it. That's why I always give back to you guys, to show my appreciation to those that are actively and positively supporting me here on my channel. So thank you all so much. I cannot wait for 3 weeks to come to see who is going to win this box. It's either going to be a mystery if you skip through what's inside, or it's gonna be just a bomb-ass box because you know what's inside. Either way, there's amazing products. It's all Jeffree Star, and it's valued over $200 is what I paid for one of you guys to enjoy his amazing products. So there's that. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. This is just a giveaway just for you, and that is everything. So thank you guys so much, and keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.